How to grow jackfruit on rooftop. If you have space in your rooftop, you can easily grow a jackfruit tree and enjoy its delicious fruit. Here are all the details on how to grow jackfruit. Native to tropical Asia, the jackfruit is a giant melon-size oblong fruit that is grown in the tropical parts of Southeast Asia. Its fruits are used in cooking as well as eaten raw and fresh. Botanical name: Artocarpus heterophyllus. Growing habit: jackfruit tree can't tolerate frost and drought. Even so, it is a tough tree that can withstand severe temperatures. A mature tree can bear up to 118 Fahrenheit heat, and if acclimated, about 32 Fahrenheit cold temperature for a short time. Some jackfruit varieties can reach up to 100 feet, and there are some dwarf varieties like black gold that restrict up to only 10 to 20 feet height. Jackfruit tree has a long life of more than 100 years. It bears the biggest fruits in the world, which weigh anywhere between 10 to 110 pounds. Why should you grow a jackfruit tree? Well, it's a lifetime investment. All parts of the jackfruit tree are useful. It is quite a handsome rustic tree that resembles oak. It provides shade, shelter, and natural habitat to birds and pollinators. A single tree provides enough homegrown jackfruits that not only you but your neighbors will get bored eating it. Planting methods: it can also be propagated from stems, but it is rather a difficult method. That is why seed germination is preferred. For this, take large seeds from fully ripe fruit and rinse them in warm water to remove sticky pulp. Sow the seeds immediately after that in a small pot so that you can transplant it later on the ground. Planting jackfruit tree. Choose a big open space of your garden that receives full sun, clear it from weeds, and dig a hole. To ensure good drainage, mix 1/3 part of compost, sand, perlite, and organic matter in the garden soil to prepare a rich, porous potting soil for planting. Transplant your healthiest plant in the dug space, water it, and mulch all around. If you are planting a grafted plant, then don't cover its bud patch from the soil. Otherwise, it will rot down and die. Watering and fertilizing. Jackfruit tree grows in hot and humid regions of Asia, where high rainfall is common. It means you need to water it often as it prefers moist, well-drained soil, but avoid overwatering, especially when the plant is growing in the first 2 years. Once in a year, when growing season starts, spread compost or farm manure adequately around the plant to boost it up. Feed it with slow-release, balanced fertilizer twice in a year. When the plant starts to bloom, feed it with 8 March 2009 fertilizer by following the manufacturer's instruction for amount and rate. Pests and diseases. The most common pests that attack it are jackfruit borer, fruit flies, and birds. Jackfruit borer affects all parts of the plant, but the use of organic insecticide is enough to deter it. On the other hand, covering the fruits is a handy option to save them from fruit flies and burns. Jackfruit tree care and tips. If growing in a cool climate, mulch heavily around the tree when the temperature goes down below 35 Fahrenheit in winter to insulate roots from cold. Do regular pruning to retain the tree's height below 20 feet. When it grows above 12 feet tall, reduce its main trunk to 8 feet to encourage the growth of dense branches. Jackfruit tree establishes after 3 to 4 years. During this period, if it produces flowers, pinch them off to promote growth. Once a month, remove weeds around it to clear out the growing area, as weeds drain the essential nutrients from the healthy soil. Mulch it in summer to save moisture and prevent weeds from growing. Jackfruit uses. Do you know that jackfruit is also used as a vegetable? It is a meat substitute for vegetarians. It is also called vegetarian meat in Asia because of its texture, which is like pork or chicken. Its unripe fruit is used to prepare mouth-watering curry recipes, soups, puree, and pickles. Ripe fruits are sweet, aromatic, and fibrous, which can be eaten alone or used in making syrups, pastries, cakes, and ice creams. Harvesting jackfruit. Within 3 to 6 years after planting, the jack tree starts to flower, and in 2-3 months after blossoming, young and unripe green-skinned fruits are ready to be picked as a vegetable. Mature fruits are ready to harvest after 4 to 5 months of flowering when they exude sweet aroma, and their skin turns from green to yellowish tinge. In native conditions, it bears fruits year-round, but peak harvest season is summer. Benefits of jackfruit. Packed with nutrients, jackfruit is rich in antioxidants and offers many health benefits including it controls and improves blood sugar levels. It contains vitamin A and C, which increases the immunity of the body to fight viral infections. Its powerful antioxidants help in treating common skin problems. Rich in fiber, jackfruit is helpful in improving the digestion.